In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. There is nothing about attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Let's talk about the benefits of this property. So you can see on the screen benefits include card present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.